If you've ever taken a selfie and the angle just doesn't look right, there's a much better way to take photos without holding your phone. On your iOS camera app, you can actually use a built in timer for hands free photos. First, open your camera app and switch to photo mode. Now, tap on the options icon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the timer option. Tap once for a 3-second timer, tap again for 5 seconds, and again for a 10-second timer. Once you select your timer, place your iPhone in position, whether it's on a stand or a stable surface. Now, just tap the shutter button and you'll see a countdown appear on the screen. The camera will flash and count down each second before automatically taking the photo. This is really useful for group photos, travel shots, or even better solo selfies without holding your phone. And the best part is you get more natural and stable photos compared to regular handheld selfies. And that's how to use the iPhone camera timer for hands-free selfies and better group photos. If this iPhone or Android tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.